Okay, thank you for the opportunity that given to us. Let me introduce myself. I'm Merin Kurniawati and my partner, Mr. Plaspa Kumokamuri. We will present the result of our research about the influence of digital marketing tools on tourist visiting interest to Fatu Kopa Hills, Timor Tengah Selatan Regency. Number one, introduction. Internet users in Indonesia research 150 million people or 56% of the total population, and this number increased 20% from the previous survey. This phenomenon shows that half of all Indonesians have high enthusiasm in using the internet. In the field of tourism, the widespread use of the internet is seen as an opportunity by the manager of hotels, travel agencies, and companies of transportation to package their tourism products to become more attractive to be promoted. While for tourists, internet is a source of information to find out about their destination. Many tourist attractions in Indonesia have reached the world through the internet network, and this shows that the internet has contributed greatly to development tourism in Indonesia. On social media like Facebook and Instagram, there are more than 100 posts that tag the Fatu Kopa tourist attraction. On YouTube, this tourist attraction has been watched by more than 30 30,000 users. Through direct observation, more than 50 visitors who spend the night there, and the hitman of Fatu Kopa state from June to July 2020, this tourist attraction had been visited by more than 100 people. There are also visitors who come from outside East Nusa Tenggara. Many factors influence tourist behavior in deciding to travel, especially with the presence of digital information. Even though it has a different character and form, digital information can influence a person's decisions to consume certain products or service, including deciding to visit a tourist attraction. Therefore, the background of this research is to describe how the influence of digital marketing tools towards the interests of tourists visiting to Fatu Kopa Hill, Timor Tengah Selatan Regency. For this research, the theoretical concept that we use is digital marketing tools and the internet of tourist visiting. Okay, for the next, we will defer by Mr. Kamori.
Okay, research method. This research used an associative approach. The population in this research were tourists who visit Fatu Hills, and the sampling technique used is accidental sampling. For the research result, descriptive analysis of digital marketing tools variable. Social media is measured by the acceptance rate with a score of 94.5%, the desire to become a member with a score of 94%, easy of access with a score of 83.9%, and the level of use with a score of 77.3%. So the average of score achievement from the four measurement dimension for social media was 84.7 with a good category. Search engine optimization or SEO is measured through information availability with a score of 79.1% and access speed with a score of 74.5%. So the average score achievement from the two measurement dimension for CEO is 76.7% with a good category. Pay per click or PPC is measured through transaction security with a score of 94.5% and easy of transaction via the internet with a score of 60%. So the average score achievement from the two measurement dimension for PPC is 77.2% with a good category. Content and video marketing or CPM is measured through the attractiveness level with a score of 81.8%, decided to recommend with a score of 79.8%, and decided to review with a score of 72.7%. So the average score of the three measurement dimension for CPM is 78.1% with a good category. Okay, descriptive analysis of tourist visit interest variable. Tourist visiting interest variable are measured through for indicators with the highest percentage, which are transactional interest with a score of 85.1%, interest explorative with a score of 81%, interest referential with a score of 74.4%, and interest preferential with a score of 71%. So the average score of the variables tourist visit interest is 77.6% with a good category. Okay, simultaneous test or F-test. This indicates that the digital marketing tools through social media, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, and content and video marketing effect is simultaneous to the tourist interest visiting in Batu Kopahil, Timur Tengah Selatan, Regency. Determination coefficient. It means that the variable digital marketing tools through social media, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, and content and video marketing contribute 75.2% to the tourist interest visiting variable to Batu Kopahil, Timur Tengah Selatan Regency, while the remaining 27.5% is influenced by other variables that are outside the scope of this research. For the partial test or t-test, partial test results show that the variable digital marketing tools through the dimension of social media, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, content and video marketing has a partial effect on the variable interest in visiting tourists to Batu Kopahil, Timur Tengah Selatan Regency. And the last, this is the conclusion of our research. Thus the presentation of our research, we return the time and opportunity to the moderator. Thank you very much.